course, in this video I will share different tips on how you can get started making money with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money because you don't have to own your own product or such, or you can even use free method, use free traffic if you can use free strategies to make money with affiliate marketing. It really takes effort on your part. You need to be consistent and need to be out there every day, posting something at least. And one of the sites that you can benefit from when it comes to getting eyeballs on your promotion is Pinterest. You can sign up for an account for free, and here you will find pins about all kind of different things, because you gotta for your own sake you gotta choose a category, niche, a group of products that you will promote, and you will brand yourself through that product so that people know what you're about and what you're promoting and what you have to offer and so so you sign up for free at Pinterest, and then you enter a description and so on, and upload your photo, and then you can create good quality images using a free Canva account, and create a subject line that's attention grabbing, that people get curious. It's very important. And then you enter a description what the pin is about, and write something that also again capture the attention. And then you need to put in those hashtags is like keywords, so when people search for them, then people might see, if they search for in the search bar here, then might find your content, and they may click your image, and you may make the sale. Now, some hype this up that you just have to post one pin or a few, and then you see sales coming in. That's not really true, unless you got very lucky. But Pinterest does work when it comes to free traffic and affiliate marketing, but you gotta keep at it. There are free tools that can help you with this pinning by automation. We're into that now, but blogging works as well, but it really takes quite a lot of work, and you gotta have a lot of content to start to see results. And if you if you can't afford the service to buy backlinks, you have to backlink yourself. You do have the opportunity to backlink from many free platforms out there, but it takes a lot of backlinks. If you don't have the money, you really gotta put in the effort. And the post should be at least 4,000 words each and every one of them to make it more possible to rank well for those keywords. But if you use free methods, it may free traffic to share your content all over the place, all over the social media sites, it will take about 2 weeks before you see a result on Google's. But always do a Google research to see how well your content is ranking as well. Now, you can pin images to sharing button, or you can upload a pin by clicking this create button here. Drag your image here to upload it, or you can click it to manually upload it, or you can save it from URL. Then you enter, like I said, subject line, description and tags, and save it to the category that you have on your Pinterest account. For instance, make money online. Another way to make money as a beginner is to start a YouTube channel, like I have a YouTube channel, and then you review different products, and you can it's a good thing if you buy the product yourself, and then you show everything about it, your honest opinion. If it's really a really good product and they can see how well it works on your video, then they may buy it from you. So that's another way to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. But again, it takes consistency, it takes time, and you gotta put up at least 3-4 videos a week. But I hope you like this tips for beginner. If you would be interested to make $500, unlimited $500, and get paid instantly, then you need to click the link below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.